World War II, one of the most devastating conflicts in human history, spanned from 1939 to 1945 and involved numerous nations across the globe. The war ended with the victory of the Allied powers, a coalition led by countries such as the United States, the Soviet Union, the United Kingdom, and others. This victory was the culmination of a complex interplay of military strategies, technological advancements, economic resources, diplomatic efforts, and societal factors. In less than 3,000 words, we can explore the key elements that contributed to the Allied victory in World War II. 1. Military strategies and alliances. The Allied powers adopted a range of military strategies that ultimately contributed to their victory. The use of combined arms operations, where infantry, artillery, armor, and air support were coordinated, led to tactical advantages. Additionally, the formation of alliances allowed for the sharing of resources, intelligence, and strategic planning. The military coordination between the United States, the Soviet Union, and the United Kingdom, among others, helped in exploiting the weaknesses of the Axis powers. 2. Technological innovations. World War II witnessed rapid technological advancements that had a profound impact on the outcome of the war. The development of tanks, aircraft, submarines, radar, and nuclear weapons revolutionized warfare. These innovations provided the Allies with critical advantages, enabling them to gain air superiority, conduct effective naval blockades, and employ more efficient ground tactics. The Manhattan Project's creation of the atomic bomb eventually forced Japan's surrender. 3. Economic resources and industrial capacity. The Allies' economic resources and industrial capacity played a pivotal role in their victory. Countries like the United States and the Soviet Union were able to mobilize their economies for war production on an unprecedented scale. This enabled them to outproduce the Axis powers in terms of arms, equipment, and supplies, giving them a decisive edge in sustaining the war effort over a prolonged period. 4. Intelligence and code-breaking. Effective intelligence gathering and code-breaking played a crucial role in the Allied victory. Efforts such as British code-breaking at Bletchley Park led to the decryption of German Enigma machine communications, providing valuable insights into enemy plans and movements. This information allowed the Allies to anticipate Axis actions and adjust their strategies accordingly. 5. Geographic and strategic factors. The vast geographical expanse of the war theaters played a role in the Allies' victory. The Soviet Union's ability to withstand the German invasion on the Eastern Front diverted substantial Axis resources and attention away from other fronts. This diversion weakened the Axis forces, allowing the Allies to exploit the situation and gain the upper hand. 6. Diplomacy and coalition building. Diplomatic efforts and coalition building were instrumental in the Allied victory. The formation of the Grand Alliance between the United States, the Soviet Union, and the United Kingdom, despite their ideological differences, showcased a united front against the Axis powers. Diplomatic negotiations and agreements paved the way for coordinated military operations and post-war planning. 7. Home front and public support. The resilience and determination of the civilian populations on the home front greatly contributed to the war effort. Citizens in Allied countries supported war production, rationing, and other measures to sustain their armed forces. Propaganda campaigns fostered patriotism and encouraged people to contribute to the war effort through various means. 8. Leadership and military command. Effective leadership and military command were crucial factors in the Allied victory. Leaders such as Winston Churchill, Franklin D. Roosevelt, and Joseph Stalin provided strategic direction and rallied their nations in the face of adversity. Skillful military commanders, like Dwight D. Eisenhower and Georgy Zhukov, devised and executed successful campaigns that led to pivotal victories. 9. Moral and ideological justification. The Allies' cause was often framed as a struggle against tyranny, fascism, and oppression. This moral and ideological justification galvanized the Allied forces and garnered international support. The horrors of the Holocaust and the aggressive expansionist policies of the Axis powers further strengthened the resolve of the Allied nations to defeat their common enemies. 10. Turning points and key battles. Several turning points and key battles had a significant impact on the course of the war. The Battle of Stalingrad marked a pivotal moment on the Eastern Front, where the Soviet Union successfully halted the German advance. The D-Day landings in Normandy opened a Western front and allowed the Allies to initiate a campaign to liberate Europe from Nazi occupation. In conclusion, the Allied victory in World War II emerged from a combination of military strategies, technological innovations, economic resources, intelligence, diplomatic efforts, and societal factors. The collaboration among nations, effective leadership, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances played a crucial role in shaping the outcome of the conflict. The lessons learned from this monumental struggle continue to influence global geopolitics, security policies, and the collective memory of humanity. Like and subscribe now. Thank you.